A day of a successful person. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Journey. Today, we are going to explore the daily habits of a successful person. Many people wonder, what do successful people do every day? Well, today, we will follow James, a highly successful entrepreneur, and see how he spends his day. Morning, the power of a strong start. James wakes up at 5 a.m. every morning. He believes that an early start gives him more control over his day. Instead of hitting the snooze button, he immediately gets out of bed and begins his morning routine. Meditation and gratitude. The first thing James does is spend 10 minutes in silence, practicing deep breathing and focusing on gratitude. This helps him clear his mind and set a positive tone for the day. Exercise. A short workout session is a must. James goes for a 30-minute run or does some stretching and strength training. Exercise keeps his body healthy and gives him energy. Healthy breakfast. He enjoys a simple but nutritious breakfast: oatmeal, eggs, and fruit. Eating healthy fuels his brain for the busy day ahead. Reading and learning. James spends 30 minutes reading books related to self-improvement, leadership, or business. He believes that learning never stops, and reading helps him grow every day. Planning the day. Before starting work, James writes down his top 3 priorities for the day. This helps him stay focused and productive. Work, productivity, and focus. At 8 a.m., James starts his work. He follows the 80-20 rule, which means he focuses on the most important tasks first. Deep work. For the first 2 hours, James works on his most important projects without distractions. He puts his phone on silent and avoids social media. Meetings and collaboration. After completing deep work, he spends time in team meetings, discussing ideas and strategies with colleagues. Communication is key to success. Short breaks. Every 90 minutes, James takes a short break to stretch and refresh his mind. By 12:30 p.m., James takes a lunch break. Instead of eating at his desk, he enjoys his meal mindfully, sometimes walking outside for fresh air. Afternoon, continuous growth and networking. After lunch, James continues his work, but this time, he focuses on learning and networking. Skill development. He spends an hour learning something new, maybe a new language, marketing strategy, or public speaking skills. Networking. James believes that relationships are important. He takes time to connect with mentors, business partners, and friends, exchanging ideas and learning from others. At 4 p.m., he does a quick review of his progress, checking if he has completed his top priorities. Evening, relaxation and family time. At 6 p.m., James finishes work and focuses on personal time. Exercise or a hobby. Sometimes he plays tennis, goes for a walk, or plays the guitar to relax. Dinner with family. He enjoys dinner with his loved ones, sharing stories about the day. He believes that strong relationships are a big part of success. Relaxing activities. After dinner, he unwinds by reading, journaling, or watching a documentary. By 9:30 p.m., he disconnects from screens, preparing his body for a good night's sleep. He writes in his journal, reflecting on the day, and then goes to bed by 10 p.m. The secret to success: consistency and discipline. James's life is not special because he is lucky. He follows simple, daily habits that help him stay productive, healthy, and happy. Here are the key lessons from his routine. 1. Start your day early. A morning routine sets the tone for success. 2. Prioritize important work. Focus on meaningful tasks, not just busy work. 3. Keep learning. Knowledge is power. Read books, take courses, and improve your skills. 4. Take care of your body. Exercise, eat well, and get enough sleep. 5. Build strong relationships. Success is not just about work. It's about people too. 6. Stay consistent. Small daily habits create big results over time. Success is not about doing one big thing. It's about small, consistent actions every day. If you want to achieve your goals, start by improving your daily habits. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.